Here's our volunteer and events coordinator, Shayla, with a temporary resident of HSCC, who our humane investigator brought in today for her own personal rescue organization. This is Coco, and he's eating crackers.
Wow, Joanne, he's holding it with his toe and then eating it.
He's such a clever little guy.
I was telling Joanne I keep breaking off smaller and smaller pieces to see if he'll still take them from me, and he does.
Hi, Coco. Apparently Coco has quite a vocabulary. He likes to swear, but we have not heard that yet.
Do you want to shake?
No shaking.
No shaking.
He does know how. He's just still a little nervous. Bye, Coco.